Migraines are a type of headache that can cause intense pain, nausea, and sensitivity to light and sound. They can be debilitating and significantly affect a person's quality of life. Migraine is common, especially in women. It affects about 1 in 5 women and 1 in 15 men. Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be discussing tips for preventing and managing migraines. Let's take a look at some tips for preventing and managing migraines. First step. Various factors, including certain foods, stress, lack of sleep, and hormonal changes, can trigger migraines. Identifying your triggers can help you avoid them and prevent migraines from occurring. Second step. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can help prevent migraines. This includes eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress through meditation and yoga. Third step. Keeping a migraine diary can help you identify triggers and patterns. Record the date and time of each migraine, the duration and potential triggers such as food, stress, or sleep patterns. Fourth step. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can help reduce stress and prevent migraines. Fifth step. Dehydration can trigger migraines, so staying hydrated is essential by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Sixth step. Hormonal changes can trigger migraines in women. Women can manage hormones by taking birth control pills or hormone replacement therapy if a doctor recommends it. 7 steps. If migraines are severe or frequent, seeking medical treatment is essential. Treatment options include medications to prevent or reduce the frequency of migraines and pain-relieving medications to help manage symptoms. In summary, several tips for preventing and managing migraines include identifying triggers, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, keeping a migraine diary, practicing relaxation techniques, staying hydrated, managing hormones, and seeking medical treatment if necessary. By following these tips, you can help prevent migraines and manage symptoms if they occur. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has helped provide tips for preventing and managing migraines.